A kitchen is the heart of the home, and when it comes to creating a timeless design scheme, you can never go wrong with an all-white palette. White is one of the best ways to give a space a timeless look. In this video, we will see together more than 50 completely white kitchens in different dimensions, from small one-wall kitchen to big kitchens with islands. I will also talk about major kitchen layouts, and you will see how the white color can perfectly match all these layouts. If you are still not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, watch other published videos of the channel which are all about interior design and decorations, and activate the notification bell to see new videos when published. Thank you. One-wall kitchens feature a simple, linear layout that takes up less floor space than other configurations while creating a less cluttered layout. They are popular in small interiors as well as in larger open-plan spaces, as they open the kitchen up to the rest of the room. The Lshaped kitchen plan is one of the most popular and most classic layouts for the kitchen design. Its flexible design can be adapted to many sizes and styles of the kitchens. The basic L-shaped kitchen is composed of two legs of base cabinets covered with a countertop. Typically, the longer leg provides most of the counter space, and the rest of the appliances like wall oven or refrigerator are positioned in the shorter leg. A U-shaped kitchen contains an arrangement of different kitchen units positioned on three adjacent walls that makes it appear to form the shape of the letter U. U-shaped kitchens can be enhanced by adding up a kitchen table or an island. U-shaped kitchen allow two or more cooks to prepare food at the same time. This can be a major advantage if you have a big family or if your home occasionally holds public events or parties. By adding a special counter called a kitchen island to any of the layouts which we have seen so far, we can have a kitchen with island. The kitchen island is a centrally located freestanding countertop, which means that it is not attached to either walls or other countertops. The advantages of a kitchen island are many. You get more counter space, more storage, an eating area, and possibly room for an appliance or a small work seat. If you enjoyed seeing this video, please like the video and leave in the comments your opinion. And let me know if you have any suggestions or questions. Thank you.